This tutorial is going to cover how to take the practice exams for SAM 2010. So what we want to do is, after you log into Blackboard, go over to the Learning Modules tab, click on the Learning Modules tab. Let's assume we want to work on Chapter 1 in Module 1, so you'll click on the Module 1 link there, and then open up the Chapter 1 link. Once you've done that, scroll to the bottom where it says Learning Procedures, Lectures, and Material. Click on that to open that up. And then we're going to go to the practice test for Chapter 1. We're going to click on this PDF. Once this PDF opens, you'll notice that it has the task name and the task instructions. These are the tasks that we're going to complete on this practice test. So what we want to do is click on the hyperlink, SAM 2010, that will open up, that will launch SAM 2010. So click on that, and once you've clicked on that, go ahead and log in as you normally would using the email address that you use to register your account with SAM. Once it loads, what you're going to do is you are going to navigate over to the SAM assignment link, and we're going to take a exam. So here is Computer Concepts Chapter 1 Practice Exam. So we're going to click on that. Once we click on that, we see some instructions. It tells us that a passing score is 80%. Incorrect actions are allowed to be performed 3 times. You answer incorrectly, and you can answer it again and try to get the correct answer. Retake the test up maximum of 5 times. After you've taken the test a couple of times and haven't scored what you thought you should, then it tells you how many tests you have remaining, or retakes you have remaining. Once you're ready, click OK, and the test will then load. Once the test loads, what it does is it gives you the statement on the left-hand side, a device on the right-hand side, and you're going to match these up by clicking on the device on the right. All right, so the statement says some computers have a blank, so you can transfer photos without connecting directly to your camera. So you would want to look over here to see what it has, and you would probably select a card reader. A blank is a handheld computer, and you would probably look at smartphone. If you have a tower unit, you have a desktop computer. Desktop computer, the blank contains the brains of the computer, and that would be the system unit. And then finally, a blank can be as powerful as a desktop computer, and that, of course, would be your laptop. Once you've answered all your questions, you think you've got them correct, then click on Submit. It will tell you that you answered correct and will load the next set of questions. Notice down at the bottom, you have question 2 of 6. So we finished question 1. You now have question 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ready to complete. Okay, that's all there is to taking the practice exams. Once you're done with that, click Exit. That will tell you that there are unfinished tasks, meaning we didn't finish the 6 questions. You can come back and retake them, ask you if you're sure you want to exit. We do, in this case, we want to exit. It tells me that I have 17% of my score. My pass-fail threshold is 80%, so I need to score more tests to pull that up. Once I'm done, click Close. Again, these are practice tests. This is not a real exam. You're not being graded for it. However, it does prepare you for the real exam.